Hi. Isn't it tiring to check the comments on an Instagram post one by one? To find your target audiences? To pick a comment for a giveaway? And you wish this would all be automated, that there would be a tool that can collect all the comments for you. I'm happy to introduce to you Instagram Comment Scraper and Giveaway Tool. This is a desktop application. It fetches the comments of an Instagram post and exports it into an Excel file. Also, it will randomly select a comment for giveaway contests. It fetches the usernames, date, and time at which the comment was posted. You can use this tool without any limit, unlike other tools that you find on the internet. You can perform comment filtering. That is, you can filter comments by tags, hashtags, or you can fetch all comments. If you search on the internet, you will find websites that provide this similar tool or services, but their cost is very high. As you can see here, I have shown prices of other Instagram scrapers on internet, where you will spend around $59 per month, $49 per month, $350 per month, €5 for 1,000 comments to €500 for 5 million comments. That's a lot to spend, right? Yes, I know. You want to know my tool's price. But before that, let me show you the working of this tool. First, open the comment scraper _giveaway.exe app, and wait for the app to launch. Then, enter the details, your Instagram login credentials, the post URL, and select a comment filter. Then, click on Submit, and wait for the tool to finish its job. Finally, you'll see the total number of comments fetched, and a giveaway comment. You can copy the giveaway comment. Now close the application, and open the comments _storage folder. You'll see an Excel file created, which will contain the list of usernames, comments, date, and time. Now, revealing to you the price of this tool. You can buy the Instagram Comment Scraper tool at just 899 rupees. Grab this offer. Check my Instagram page named SG Digital Cart, where I will come up with different tools at best budget prices. Do follow me there, link is in the description. You can also suggest me a tool of your choice. Maximum suggested tool I will create and publish. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.